Alright guys, so you remember that day and night, that 1990 day and night heat pump that I filmed over here a few months ago? Well, as you can see, it got replaced with a brand new Carrier Comfort Series heat pump. That's amazing. That is very cold and sweaty. And that isn't really, that's not really that hot, but that is cold and sweaty. This thing is brand new, and it's got the new data sheet. That is sweet. 2019 3-ton. So I'm guessing that day and night was a 3-ton. I don't know, but it got replaced, as you guys can see. Brand new Carrier logo. At least it got replaced with a very good unit. I love Carrier Comforts. That is sweet. Sorry, I'm out of focus here. Brand new Carrier Comfort Series 2019 3-ton. There's the reversing valve. Very nice unit. As you can see, that is very cold and sweaty. So this is a very recent install. Here's the disconnect. Not gonna turn it off, but figured I'd film that. It's like in the 80s right now, so very surprising that the day and night got replaced.